Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and let's see what's going on with Sand. But before that, let's see what's going on with Bitcoin, okay? Because Bitcoin is the market maker. And now we can see that Bitcoin is slowly trying to get up and trying to come close to this line over here. There's the used to be support for the bottom for the channel that was being created, okay? Look at that. Try to really quick this, okay? It's trying to get there, okay? And let's go to the lower time frame. So you can see Bitcoin, it's slowly trying to get up, and we can see it made these kind of patterns, and then movement to the upside, breakout movement to the upside. Now it created this ascending triangle over here, and again moving to the upside. So this is good, but we want to see volume increasing. Volume is decreasing right now. Maybe this candle can come back, retest, and then make its move. But the real test is going to be right over here, because you can see in every time frame, it's battling the 20 moving average, okay? Like 15-minute, it went above it. 30-minute, the yellow line, okay? It went above it. And 1 hour, it went above it. So whenever it's going above the 20 moving average at every different time frame, you can see it's gonna go up, okay? Now we can see in the 4-hourly where the 20 moving average is. We might just come there and battle this one as well, but this is going to be a challenge, okay? But let's see, time will tell, and hopefully we can get some volume and try to get up there, okay? But let's cover Sand really quick. Okay, with Sand, we know that yesterday was a a very kind of a, I would say, good, bad, either way, because Sand came all the way down to $4.13 and jumped. You see that move? The candle closed green. A lot of coins, closed this candle red, but there were a couple of, especially metaverse coins, that closed this candle green. That's a very good sign. Now, I told you that in my previous videos that it might come down and come to this 55 moving average. As you can see, I laid out these scenarios for you, and you can see clearly, and this is also a panic sell that happened, okay? Same goes over here, same result, okay? It came down. Let me just zoom in for you. Yeah, it came down and went back in this little wedge, but then again it came down because this was a rising wedge, and rising wedge has targets, price targets. They go back to the where the wedge was formed in the beginning, but it didn't go there. This channel just supported that area, okay? What is this? This is the 20 moving average that came into play. Okay, look at that. It stepped on the 55, went up, came on the 20 moving average, created support here, and then move upwards, okay? So now if we take this same scenario, because I mean, because of this drop, it's making me feel that we might just just repeat this whole thing. So it came down, fell down to the 55 moving average. Now it's above the 20 moving average. So that's a good sign, okay? That's a very good sign. It's above the 20, because whenever the price is above the 20 moving average, the bulls are still in control, okay? Now we can also lay a scenario over here and create this pattern, okay? So you can clearly see it's creating a bullish pattern, okay? And this is, you could call this a flag, falling wedge, whatever you want to call it. It did come out of it, but it came back inside, okay? So it's still valid. Let's go to the lower time frames and just see it a little bit closer, okay? We can also build a case where we can put this like that, okay? Like that. Okay? Just to be careful, but I like to put them closer because I like to know exactly, the resistance and the support whenever the price is coming closer to it, because we have more touches with this kind of formation, okay? So now to understand this, the price might do something like this, okay? The price might do something like this. Let me see, where is it? Now within this pattern now. It might come down again, but we want to see a higher high, a lower high being formed, okay? And whenever that happens, we want to see a breakout, okay? That's going to be very bullish for sand, okay? And that can happen because a lot of projects are creating these bullish patterns now, especially metaverse projects. And we can also create this imaginary line like that. The reason I'm creating this line is because you can see here, when we were right over here, we created this, another channel in this, okay? And we started moving upwards along with the 20 moving average into play because it was above the 20 moving average all the time. Okay, so I'm just gonna make this line to give me an understanding where might the price go and when the breakout will be, imminent. So this box is a crucial box for me. This purple box is because the price will play in this levels, which are the 616 and the $5.05. I feel the price can do something like this. Okay, it can do something like this until it comes here and then a breakout. I mean, possibilities are it can do that before. Now, even if it comes down, okay, even if it comes down, it can come touch here and maybe take a bounce. And that level is the $5 level and maybe come down. Now, I'll be concerned only if it breaks the $5 level, okay, and breaks this level as well, okay, the $4.58 level, okay. Then there's a market reversal that's going on, but I don't think so. That might just happen right now. We still have more upside to come because the RSI is telling us a different story right now. Let me show you. If we go in the daily, okay. Okay, now look at this, okay. Look at the volume coming back in also. Good volume coming. Now look at this, okay. So price was doing this when we had this drop over here, okay. This drop that came all the way down here. The RSI was right over here, okay, right over here. We got support from this support line, and then the price slowly started going up, okay, slowly started going up for this scenario over here, okay. And we can see it went up, hit this support, used to be support, and it became resistance for sand, okay. Now then it came back, then it made another high, then it was getting support from right over there, okay. Now come to the present day and check this out. It's doing something very similar, okay. Went up, got up there, came down, went up, broke this support. Where is that support coming now? Right from there. So we want to see this hold, and if it breaks and it goes down, it can come till here, okay. I mean, it is at there over there. But if it breaks this, then yeah, you would know these are the precursors to look forward to. If it breaks and goes down, then something different is happening. But if it just jumps from here, then we're gonna play in the same manner. Then it might just go hit this. I'll show you. Okay, hit this, come down, find support, and do exactly what this candles did. Because if you go here, take this off, Take that off. And I will lay this scenario again for you. Like I did, excuse me, in my previous videos. So it's doing something very similar. So it might just play it in this manner, like that. Look where if you bring the 55 moving average and the 20 moving average, look where the candles are and the 55 moving average. So it might just do something like this. Oh, if this scenario plays out and the RSI movement in that same pattern, then we are having this same move. That doesn't mean it's going to these levels, no. It might just, go to maybe $9 to $10. If it breaks this resistance, then it might just go to $11, $12, I would say. But be careful, okay? Be careful of these areas, the $6, the 498, and until and unless it's above this 20, we are good, okay? And if it breaks this flag pattern, then something different is happening, okay? All right, guys, that's it for today. But hopefully this video brought you some good information and knowledge. And like my video, subscribe to my channel, and have a good day. Thank you. Bye-bye.